In the heart of 19th century Paris, a tale of ambition, deception, and unforeseen consequences unfolds. Meet Mathilde Loisel, a young woman whose dreams of grandeur far exceed her modest reality. Born into a family of clerks, Mathilde finds herself trapped in a life she deems unworthy of her beauty and charm. Her days are spent in a small apartment, tending to mundane household chores, while her nights are filled with vivid fantasies of luxurious ballrooms and admiring gazes. Mathilde's husband, Monsieur Loisel, is a kind and hard-working government clerk. He strives to provide for his wife, yet remains oblivious to the depths of her discontent. Despite his best efforts, Mathilde's yearning for a life of opulence persists, casting a shadow over their otherwise comfortable existence. One fateful day, an invitation arrives at the Loisel residence. It's for a grand ball at the Ministry of Education, a rare opportunity for the couple to mingle with the upper echelons of Parisian society. While Monsieur Loisel is thrilled, Mathilde's initial excitement quickly turns to despair. She laments her lack of suitable attire, convinced that appearing in anything less than the finest gown would be a humiliation. Moved by his wife's distress, Monsieur Loisel offers to buy her a new dress, sacrificing his savings for a hunting rifle. Mathilde's spirits lift, but only momentarily. She realizes that without proper jewels, her outfit would still be incomplete. In a moment of desperation, she turns to her wealthy friend, Madame Forestier. Madame Forestier, a woman of means and social standing, represents everything Mathilde aspires to be. With gracious understanding, she lends Mathilde a stunning diamond necklace, the perfect accessory to complete her ensemble. As Mathilde fastens the glittering jewels around her neck, she feels a surge of confidence, ready to step into the world she's always dreamed of. The night of the ball arrives and Mathilde is radiant. She dances, laughs, and basks in the admiration of the other guests. For a few fleeting hours, she lives the life she's always imagined. But as the clock strikes midnight, reality begins to creep back in. The ball ends, and Mathilde returns home, still intoxicated by the evening's events. It's only when she's preparing for bed that horror strikes. The necklace is gone. Panic sets in as Mathilde and her husband search frantically, retracing their steps through the cold Parisian streets, but their efforts are in vain. The necklace has vanished without a trace. Faced with the daunting task of replacing the lost jewels, the Loisels make a fateful decision. They borrow money at exorbitant interest rates and purchase a replacement necklace identical to the one they've lost. The cost is staggering, plunging them into a decade of grueling poverty. The once dreamy Mathilde is forced to confront the harsh realities of true hardship. She dismisses her servant, moves to a shabby attic, and takes on menial jobs to make ends meet. Her soft hands grow calloused, her beauty fades, and the dreams of luxury that once consumed her thoughts are replaced by the constant worry of debt. Monsieur Loisel, too, bears the burden of their misfortune. He works multiple jobs, sacrificing his health and youth to repay their massive debt. The couple's life becomes a relentless struggle, a far cry from the glamorous existence Mathilde once coveted. 10 long years pass before the necklace is finally paid off. Mathilde, now a shadow of her former self, chances upon Madame Forestier while walking in the Champs-Élysées. The years have been kinder to her wealthy friend, who remains as elegant and youthful as ever. In a moment of bitter triumph, Mathilde recounts the story of the necklace and the decade of hardship it caused. But Madame Forestier's response shatters Mathilde's world once more. The necklace, she reveals, was merely costume jewelry, worth a fraction of the fortune the Loisels had paid to replace it. As the truth sinks in, Mathilde is left to grapple with the consequences of her actions. The years of struggle, the dreams abandoned, and the youth sacrificed, all for a fake diamond necklace. In this cruel twist of fate, Mathilde learns a harsh lesson about the true value of things and the price of vanity. The story of Mathilde Loisel serves as a poignant reminder of the dangers of discontent and the importance of appreciating what one has. It challenges us to question our own desires and the lengths we might go to achieve them. In the end, the necklace leaves us pondering the true meaning of wealth and the often overlooked riches found in simplicity and honesty.